back to my channel, everybody. Today I am back with another drink video. How is everybody doing today? I know it is crazy out here with this whole coronavirus stuff going on, and I just feel like, why not make a drink? So today I'm going to be making just a quick and easy Hennessy lemonade. So this is the lemonade I'm going to be using today. I got it from Walmart, y'all. I really couldn't find any other kind of lemonade. This was literally everything that they had left, like with the drinks, this brand. And it's actually pretty good, so I don't mind. So we're going to go ahead and get that in the blender. Ooh, take the top off. Then we got our Hennessy, and I'm just doing just one drink for me. Then we're gonna let it go again one more time. So today I'm just going to be using this little fish bowl. So we're just going to go ahead and pour our drink in. I want to try and do like a little layer, so I'm going to put in some fruit. It's just some cut up strawberries. You can add some lemon in there if you would like. Just decorations. You don't have to do this part. Just get the rest of that in there. And then if you want, guys, of course, I just have this little bottle. You can just dump it in. Then we're just going to add just a couple more of the little strawberries and stuff in there. Just for decorations. A little lemon on the side. All right, guys, there you have it. Hennessy lemonade. Thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and leave me some comments down below if there's anything you would like to see me make, and I will be happy to do that for you. Thank you guys. Bye-bye.